It's daybreak, the morning after a rainfall accompanied by a devastating storm. In the Ayedun quarters of Akure metropolis, many houses are currently left with no roof. Electric poles, once supplying powers to the homes, have been turned to unwanted barricades by the forces of nature, just as water tanks have been forcefully thrown off their hangers. The victims consist of both young and aged, with their properties and means of livelihood destroyed.
It is so devastating that almost half of the roof is gone. Part of the wall is pulled down as a result of the storm. And it affects a lot of people in this community. For instance, you can see the pillar there. There is an overhead tank. The wind blew it off. And you can see other places.
In the high school area, the rain which came unannounced equally left in its trail sorrow, tears and lamentations. Several business outlets are now ghosts of their hitherto bubbling status.
Around you see people crying. So we want government, under the leadership of our able government, our so caring government, to please come to the aid of my people. They are so crying for help.
For inhabitants of Succour Phase 1 Igoba community of Akure North Council area, it is time to tender an unanimous Save Our Souls appeal to concerned authorities. Residents also called on government to help dredge and channelize the waterway in the area to forestall future disaster.
Roofs were blown off. There were many other around these communities too that actually suffered the same fate yesterday. So this is, as you can see, this is a very local community where people are not all that buoyant materially, financially, and those that are affected, they need urgent attention and assistance from government and from well-to-do people in Nigeria.
Officials of Ondo State Emergency Management Agency were spotted at some of the disaster spots, taking stock of the extent of damage, recovered items and individuals involved.
We have so many buildings of this nature that the rainstorm has blew off their buildings. So that is why we are here, in order to take all the spot assessments.
Picking pieces of what is left in the rubble is now the preoccupation of residents of affected communities, even as they hope help will come their way very soon. Zaheed Aribisala, OSRC News.